To set up your unified email inbox within Atarim, navigate to the Settings screen and click on the Emails and Notifications tab. Here, if this is the first time that you're visiting this page, you will see a wizard that will take you through the process. The first thing that you can choose is your name, the name from which all emails are going to be sent from. That includes email notifications for tasks, new tasks, comments, status changes, and so on. But this also means the email inbox, the unified email inbox, which is very much like Zendesk or Freshdesk, only that it's designed for our specific use case as digital teams. Then below, we have the email address that you would like to use, in which case I added a domain that I own, so that would be steve.jobs@acedigital.london, and this would be for you your name at your domain, or support at your domain, or product at your domain, and so on. Then I'll click next step. Here I need to make sure that I actually created an email inbox and that it's set to forward to this email address that you're seeing here. This is how we identify incoming emails into your inbox. This setup is very common and also used by other brands like Zendesk or Freshdesk or any other support desk that is out there. So once you set a forwarding on the email address that you choose, then you click on Verify Forwarding. This may take some time, so you can leave it running, or as you can see, it just finished the process within a few seconds. Then below, we need to authenticate the domain. This is to ensure deliverability of all email notifications. So make sure that you update your MX records, your SPF record, and DKIM records based on the details after clicking these drop downs. Now, a very common question is, can I add multiple MX records if I already am using this with, let's say, Google G Suite or with 365 or anything like this? And the answer is yes. The way that we have set this up allows you to add multiple MX records without them conflicting with each other. So you can safely do that process. Once this is done, you can click on Verify Domain. As you can see, my domain is already verified. So I will click on Next. Then on the additional options screen, I can add additional email addresses that I want to receive every incoming or outgoing notification and email. So every time that you add an address in here, an email address that are separated by commas, they will receive all of the emails that are within your account. For now, I'm going to keep this empty. And finally, I can create an email signature. I'm just going to create something simple here, like Steve Jobs fake with Steve at atarim.io. But I can make this more elaborate by making this bold and adding images, links, and so on. Next. And finally, I can choose which notifications globally are going to be sent to all of the users that are within the account. This includes my team as well as collaborators and guests that are invited to collaborate on different items within the account itself. So for every new task, for every new comment, every time a task is marked as complete, status change, as well as ongoing reports. I'm going to flick these ones off and complete the wizard. And that's it. Everything was now saved, and if I'm going to scroll down, you can see that I have all of my details organized in this broader screen that will allow me to customize things further if I choose.